Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated hatchbacks of 2025, the Tata Altroz. The Altroz has already made a name for itself as a premium hatchback that blends style, safety, and performance. But the 2025 model takes things up a notch with a fresh design, improved features, and better performance. So, if you're considering a premium hatchback this year, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about the new Tata Altroz. Tata Motors has always been known for its sharp and futuristic design language, and the 2025 Altroz follows that tradition. The updated Altroz maintains its signature sporty look while getting a more refined front fascia. The sleek LED headlamps now integrate seamlessly into the bold, gloss black grille, giving the car a more premium and aggressive stance. The bumper design has been slightly revised to offer a sharper appearance, with larger air intakes for better aerodynamics. On the sides, the Altroz continues to flaunt its signature floating roof design, now enhanced with a new set of 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels that add to its dynamic appeal. The ORVMs come with integrated turn indicators, and the character lines along the body remain bold and muscular, maintaining that solid road presence. At the rear, Tata has updated the LED tail lamps with a new connected light bar, which is becoming a trend among modern vehicles. The sculpted tailgate and the integrated roof spoiler further enhance the sporty aesthetic. Overall, the 2025 Altroz continues to be one of the most stylish hatchbacks in its segment, making a bold statement wherever it goes. Step inside the new Altroz, and you're greeted with a cabin that screams sophistication. Tata Motors has made sure the 2025 Altroz is more premium than ever, with an updated dashboard layout, soft touch materials, and a new 10.25-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system. This system is now more responsive, features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and supports connected car technology with OTA updates. The instrument cluster has also been upgraded to a fully digital 7-inch display that provides crisp graphics and real-time driving information. The new flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, not only looks sporty but also houses multifunction controls for added convenience. When it comes to comfort, the Altroz offers ventilated front seats, something rare in this segment. The seats themselves are well bolstered and come with premium leatherette upholstery in dual-tone shades, enhancing the overall cabin appeal. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys comfortable for passengers. In terms of convenience features, the 2025 Altroz is packed with premium offerings, including an auto-dimming IRVM, wireless charging, rear AC vents, a premium JBL sound system, and a panoramic sunroof, an addition that truly elevates the hatchback's premium appeal. Now, let's talk about what powers the new Altroz. Tata continues to offer multiple engine options, catering to different driving needs. The 2025 Altroz is available with 3 engine choices. 1. A 1.2L naturally aspirated petrol engine producing 86 PS and 113 Nm of torque. 2. A 1.2L turbo petrol engine delivering 110 PS and 140 Nm of torque for those who seek a more spirited driving experience. 3. A 1.5L diesel engine churning out 90 PS and 200 Nm of torque, making it one of the few diesel hatchbacks still available in the market. All these engines are now RDE compliant and support E20 fuel compatibility, ensuring lower emissions and better fuel efficiency. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual gearbox, a 6-speed AMT, and a new 7-speed DCT automatic, which promises smoother shifts and improved performance. Tata has also enhanced the suspension setup to offer better ride comfort, handling, and stability, making the Altroz a fun yet comfortable car to drive on both city roads and highways. The steering response has been refined, providing better feedback and control, especially during high-speed cornering. Safety has always been a top priority for Tata Motors, and the 2025 Altroz is no exception. The hatchback continues to boast a 5-star global NCAP safety rating, making it one of the safest cars in its segment. The new Altroz now comes with an even stronger body structure and additional reinforcements to improve crash safety. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, dual front, side, and curtain airbags, ABS with EBD and brake assist, Electronic Stability Control (ESC), Hill Hold Control, ISOFIX Child Seat Anchors, 360-degree camera with parking sensors. Additionally, Tata has introduced Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS) in the top variants, which include features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, making the Altroz one of the most feature-rich hatchbacks in terms of safety. Tata Motors is offering the 2025 Altroz in multiple variants, catering to different customer preferences. The trims include Z, XM, XT, XZ, and the fully loaded XZ Plus variant. Each variant is well equipped, ensuring that even the base model offers good value for money. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Altroz is expected to start at around 6.50 lakh rupees for the base petrol variant and go up to 11 lakh rupees for the top-end turbo petrol DCT variant. The diesel variants will be slightly more expensive, ranging between 8 lakh rupees and 12 lakh rupees, depending on the features and transmission options. The Tata Altroz competes in the premium hatchback segment, going up against strong rivals like the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Hyundai i20, Toyota Glanza, and Honda Jazz. While each of these cars has its strengths, the Altroz stands out with its robust safety, premium features, and multiple engine options. Compared to the Baleno, the Altroz offers a sturdier build and better safety features. Against the Hyundai i20, it matches up in terms of premium features while being more affordable. The Toyota Glanza offers great reliability, but the Altroz takes the lead with its powerful diesel option and modern tech updates. For those who prioritize safety, performance, and a premium feel, the Altroz makes a strong case as one of the best hatchbacks in its class. So, is the 2025 Tata Altroz worth your money? Absolutely. With its bold design, tech-loaded cabin, multiple powertrain options, and best-in-class safety, the Altroz remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium hatchback. Whether you're a city commuter, a highway cruiser, or someone who values safety and style, this car ticks all the right boxes. That's all for today's in-depth review of the 2025 Tata Altroz. What do you think about this premium hatchback? Would you choose it over its competitors? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.